Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to send reminder mail in Gmail in mobile so you can quickly snap your favorite people with just one tap. Let's get started. Step 1. Grab your Android phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're already signed in with your Google account, otherwise you won't be able to access your inbox. Step 2. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see Compose button. Go ahead and tap on it to start writing a new email. Step 3. Now you'll see fields for the recipient's email, the subject, and the main message. Type in the email address of the person you want to send the reminder to. Then move to the subject section and type any title that fits the message, something clear and to the point. Step 4. Next, scroll down a bit to the main message box. This is where you write the content of your email, what the reminder is all about. Once you're done, don't hit the send button yet. Instead, look at the top right of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on them. This opens up more options that are not visible on the main screen. Step 5. From the drop-down that appears, tap on Schedule Send. This feature lets you pick exactly when you want your email to go out, which is perfect for setting reminders. Step 6. After tapping Schedule Send, choose the Pick Date and Time option. This lets you manually select the day and exact time you want the email to be delivered. It's great for planning ahead. Step 7. Once you've set the desired date and time, just tap on Schedule Send again. That's it. Your email is now scheduled and will automatically be sent at the time you selected. It works as a perfect reminder without you needing to remember to send it later. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.